Hey guys, welcome to Easy Intro to Drones, Episode 2. Today we're going to talk about the general structure of drones. Here is an animation that I produced, breaking down a drone to show the parts that usually exist on all drones that we know. First, there's the battery. The battery is the power source of drones, and for drones that appear in our own lives, the battery is usually mainly consisted of lithium ions, like the LiPo battery, LiFe battery, LiHe batteries, and etc. Next, the part of the electricity will be provided to the flight controller, which acts as the brain of the drone. It is in charge of keeping the drone balanced and is responsible for controlling the movements of the drone. The camera module is the eye of the drone and is also connected to the flight controller. The flight controller will display the flight statistics as HUDs in the camera view, and then the visual signals will be sent back to the pilot's goggles so the pilot can see what the drone can see. And the drone receives the command signal from the pilot's controller through the signal receiver. The signal receiver is connected to the flight controller too, and the signals are then processed by the flight controller. As the flight controller finishes processing the signal, it sends corresponding commands to electric speed controllers, aka ESCs. ESCs are in charge of receiving the flight controller's commands and translate them into the corresponding strength of currents flowing into the motors. Since it is the part that has actual control over the currents that flows through the motors, most of the battery's electricity will go through ESCs and flow to other parts of the drone. Motors are another important part of the drones. They spin at a high rate when they are powered, and thus they will conduct this power to the propellers, the lift force source of the drone, that makes drones fly. For a very basic drone, these parts are the most important parts. Without any of them, the flying experience will be incomplete. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.